Religious tradition. The 1,000 years of history that we are exploring witnessed major developments in religious traditions. People's belief in the divine was sometimes deeply personal, but more usually it was collective. Collective belief in a supernatural agency. Religion was often closely connected with the social and economic organization of local communities. It was during this period that important changes occurred in what we call Hinduism today. These included the worship of new deities, the construction of temples by royalty, and the growing importance of Brahmanas, the priests. As a dominant group in the society. Their knowledge of Sanskrit texts earned the Brahmanas a lot of respect in the society. Their dominant position was consolidated by the support of their patrons, new rulers searching for prestige. One of the major developments was the emergence of the idea of bhakti, of a loving, personal deity that devotees could reach without the aid of priests or elaborate rituals. We will study about this in the later modules. This was also the period when a new religion called Islam appeared in India. Merchants and migrants first brought the teachings of the Holy Quran to India in the 7th century, and later with the rule of the Delhi Sultans, Islam became popular in India. Islam was interpreted in a variety of ways by its followers. There were the Shia Muslims who believed that the Prophet's son-in-law, Ali, was the legitimate leader of the Muslim community. And the Sunni Muslims who accepted the authority of the early leaders or Khalifas of the community and the succeeding Khalifas.